SmartDraw comes with built-in symbols and icons. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can also easily make your own. If you want to make a shape using only straight lines, start with the Polygon Line tool located in the drop-down menu here in the Smart panel. Click once to start a segment and extend your cursor in the direction you want your line to go. Click again to end the segment and begin a new one. Continue until your shape is ready to be closed. Bring the final line segment near where you started and wait for the cursor to change to a hollow circle, showing that it's ready to be connected. Let go to finish your shape. Once your shape is closed, you can still stretch and move individual corners where the lines connect. Just click and drag. To complete your shape, click off of it. Now you can add fills or grow and shrink your shape like other symbols using traditional selection handles. If you need to mix straight and curved lines for a custom shape, start with either line type, and you can join the different line segments together into a new shape. If you right-click on a line, you can change the line shape, the arrowhead options, line thickness, and so on. From the Line menu drop-down, choose a straight line and draw. Now select a curved line from the same menu and put your cursor where the previous line ended. Draw the line in the direction you want and let go when it's long enough. Repeat until you've closed your custom shape.